So guys, listen, today is the last day you can get on this deal from Moomoo. So use that link down below, deposit at least $100 and you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus, and deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. Again, today is the last day, so get your free stocks. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So today was a short day for the stock market. You guys probably know that, and we had every index in the U.S. stock market go up, and we had Nvidia stock, let me pull it up quickly here, guys, go up over 2% on the day, and we closed at $138 per share. And guys, if I pull up the intraday chart, you can see we almost hit $140 earlier in the day. And by the way, today was a short day of trading. It's the day after Thanksgiving. Markets closed at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So earlier in the day, at about 10:30 a.m. on the East Coast, we hit almost $140 per share, which got us above the highs from Wednesday, and I think slightly above the highs from, it looks like Tuesday. Yeah, it looks like Tuesday we peaked out at about 139, 139.20. And today we got a little bit above that, nothing too crazy. But yeah, looks like we are going in the right direction. Looks like we are consolidating a bit over the last couple of days, and we're starting to break over the moving averages here on the 5-day, 5-minute. We have a golden cross, and like I said, we're slowly peaking out of the highs from a couple of days ago. So I'm looking at Nvidia in the short term. Obviously, we're down about $15. So I'm like, all right, we got to pull down $15 from the high. Now we're starting to consolidate a little bit. So I'm watching the small time frames here very closely to see when we get the reversal, right? Like I said, we're showing small signs of that right now, the early stages of it, as we're above the moving averages here on the 5-day. We're peaking out of the highs, like I said, from 2 days ago. But for this to fully break out, because look, we actually closed under the highs from 2 days ago. So for this to fully break out, we're going to have to take out, I would say, $140 per share. Let me do that right now. Mark is that we're above 140. I'll set my alert there. If this starts to get out of there, guys, that would be a great sign in the short term that now we're starting to break out after the consolidation phase that we've seen over the last couple of days, right? So I set my alert at $140 per share. If I pull up this 30-minute chart, you guys can see now we're actually above both moving averages for the first time in a couple of days on this 30-minute chart. So that's a good sign here. And we also have a bit of inverse head and shoulders action. Do you guys see it? We have the left shoulder right here. The head's right here. You guys see that, right? And then we have the right shoulder right here. So if we start breaking 140, guys, that'd be the right shoulder in the inverse head and shoulders starting to complete. Maybe we start going 145, 150, maybe even higher from that point. So Nvidia looks very good on that time frame. It's pointing to potentially more upside. And here on the 20-day chart, now you guys can see we did rally pretty nicely off the lows from a couple days ago. That was on Wednesday. We hit 131, so we rallied nicely off the low, not only today, but we actually started the rebound on Wednesday, and now we're right under the 180 SMA on this time frame, the 1-hour chart. So if we're able to break, I'd say $140 a share, that'd get us above this 180 SMA on this time frame, which is what the bulls need for a reversal. From there, we could be going, like I said, mid-high 140s, 150s, no problem. And I think, guys, call me crazy, but as we're wrapping up November, in fact, we just had the last trading day of November. Hope you guys had a great month, by the way. As we're getting into December now, last month of the year, I think we're setting ourselves up for a big, nice, beautiful rally, whatever you want to call it, right? However you want to describe it, because look, we're in this uptrending channel still. Obviously, we got a much needed pullback, got pretty oversold. Buyers are now coming in at the bottom of this channel at about 132, 133. So in my eyes, I'm looking at this like we could break, if we break 140, it's not guaranteed, but if we do, momentum starts building up, we could easily be pushing back to the top of this channel, which, like I said multiple times throughout this video, that could be getting us back towards 145.50, maybe even higher than that. So I'm liking the way Nvidia is setting up today, guys. We had a great Friday today to wrap up a wonky week because we had Thanksgiving yesterday. So whenever it's a holiday week, the market is a little bit weird. We have some odd trading hours, some off days, but even though we had a weird week, we had a nice close to the week. Every index went up. Nvidia went up over 2.1%. And now it looks like, we want to continue the uptrend here and maybe start breaking out, which I've predicted this. I'll say it again. I think we're going to get a Santa Claus rally, a Christmas rally, an Nvidia stock, probably the entire stock market. I think we will have a good December. I could be wrong. Maybe, fast forward a couple weeks, we come back to this video. Maybe we all laugh at it. Maybe I look like an idiot. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But I think we're getting ready for that. A nice Santa Claus Christmas rally. I think it's in the cards. I think a lot of tech stocks, although they're obviously still doing very well this year, Nvidia, Google, Amazon, right? A lot of these are crushing it, leading the markets in gains this year. I think a lot of them are beaten up, though, in the last couple of days, weeks. Alphabet's beaten up. Nvidia's beaten up a little bit. Other names, Meta's beaten up a bit. Obviously, again, they're still up in the grand scheme of things, but heading into December, they are a bit oversold, maybe setting them up for a nice relief rally. That's kind of my logic behind that, as now, again, we're heading into the last month, December, the big holiday month. So, yeah, let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comments. I'm curious kind of where your head's at. I mean, what do you think? Do you think we're setting ourselves up for a rally, an Nvidia and QQQ, which you guys can see, it's on the verge of breaking out here on the 4-hour. You guys see my alerts at 5:10. If we take that out, we could be setting up for a beautiful breakout. So what do you guys think? Do you think, Nvidia is going to rally, QQQ? You think stocks like Alphabet maybe are going to rally a bit in December? I wouldn't mind. I'd take it. Google's beaten down, Nvidia's beaten down, Meta's kind of beaten down from the highs. So maybe we're setting ourselves up for a rally. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the email list. I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every Monday for free. Join the list in the description box or go to the comment section, and you might as well get your free stocks for a Moomoo, which, guys, you have one more day to do it. Use that link down below. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So again, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.